Hello everyone. I am Surya Pawan Parik, and I am here to teach you some math concept. I'm going to teach you, especially for the class 10 students. I am here. I'm going to teach you mathematics. So hope you enjoy my video. And I'm not going to say do subscribe or do share. Just want to say that if you have any kind of query, you can ask me upfront. If you have any questions, if you have any doubt or query in the any process, you can just ask me upfront on my Insta ID or Telegram ID that I'm going to share with you in the description. So yeah, let's start with the chapter. So this is just the introduction video. So let's start with the I say trigonometry part. So I'm just here today for the trigonometry section. So let's get started. So just tell me, students, समझ में आना is very much important. Okay, so just whenever in a school, you just nod your head whenever your teacher asks you about the chapter that did you understand, and you just nod your head. So इस क्लास में ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. So if you have any questions, you can ask me upfront. This is what my main motive. Students didn't student no, don't have to hesitate to ask the questions. This is my main motto. Hope I'm visible and audible to you guys. So if I get the good response, I'm not going to say if I get the good response, then only I'm going to continue. I'm going to continue no matter what responses you are giving me. Fine. So let's get started. So today we are going to learn about trigonometry. That's class 10 topic. This is just introduction video. Hope I will going to continue this chapter till your last exercise. Uh, Again, a chapter that will come to your board exam, most probably. So just want to say that let's suppose what is sine theta? When I say what is sine theta, what does I want to say is simply in a right angle triangle. First of all, just want to say in a right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle A, B, C. So in a right angle triangle, this angle B is equals to 90 degree. Angle C, let's suppose angle C is our theta. Theta is an angle that we don't know. Fine? Yeah. So in a right angle triangle ABC, let EC equals to 10. I'm just assuming any number, any Pythagoras triplet. AB is 8, BC is 6. So you just have to find the value of theta. So what is theta? Before, so just to clear, theta is an angle. There is one kind of angle. Now you have to find the value of sine theta. So when I say sine theta, it means sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So what do you mean by perpendicular? Student, it is very simple. So just opposite, just opposite of theta is a perpendicular. Just opposite of your theta is perpendicular. When I say theta, so our theta is 8, sorry, our perpendicular is 8 and h. So what is hypotenuse? So student, in your earlier classes, you know that what is hypotenuse. It is in a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, the side which is opposite to 90 degree, the side which is opposite to 90 degree, or we can say the longest side in a right angle triangle is your hypotenuse. So here you can see AB is equals to 8. Just look at here. AB is equals to 8, BC is equals to 6, and EC is equals to 10. So which is our longest side? Yes, that is 10. So 10 is the longest side, and I can say, sir, angle B is 90 degree, and as you said, the side which is opposite to 90 degree. Yes. So AC is a side which is opposite to the angle B, which is 90 degree. So we can say AC is our hypotenuse. So we can say 10 is our hypotenuse. Fine, student. Yeah. So P upon H. So what is P? Student, P is our 8 and hypotenuse H is equals to 10. So I can say when you further simplify this, so 8 upon 10 is your 4 upon 5. So sine theta is 4 upon 5. So this is the value of sine theta. And you ask us the value of theta. So sir, how can we find the value of theta? Student, to find the value of theta, I just want to say that in your class 10, I don't think so that you have to find the value of theta. You just have to find the value of sine theta. And you know what is the range of sine theta? So sine theta can be less than equals to 1 to less than equals to 0. Means sine theta cannot be greater than 1 and sine theta cannot be less than 0. It can be 0, yes. It can be 1, yes. But it cannot be greater than 1 or less than 0. This is what sine theta is all about. So I hope I am making sense and you are getting what I want to just express my knowledge. So I hope you understand. So this is what sine theta means. So this is just an introduction video so that I can, I can just use to the interface of a whiteboard. So this is just introduction video. No need to worry. We will going to start from the question number 1 to question number last. This is what I want to. This is how I'm going to teach from question number 1 to question number last. Every single day I will try. I'm not giving you commitment, but I will try. Every single day I'm going to make video for you guys. So this is what is sin theta is all about. So sir, just can you please tell me what do you mean by cos theta? Arey bhai, look at here, cos theta. So cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. Sir, what is base? Student, as I told you, that just opposite to theta is your perpendicular. So the remaining side, that is BC, is your base. Sir, what about AC? Student, as I told you, AC is your longest side, and longest side means simply hypotenuse. No need to think anything. AC is your hypotenuse side, which is opposite to the theta, is your perpendicular, and the remaining side, BC, is your base. So, sir, B, that is base, and which is, you know, base is your 6, and hypotenuse is your 10. So, when you solve further, it is 3 upon 5. So, one thing again, for as we just found out that the range of sine theta is from 0 to 1. In the same way, I can say cos theta is greater than equals to 1 to less than, because cos 0 is 1, cos 0, cos 90 is again, so cos theta is also 0 to 1. So this is what sin theta and cos theta means. And so what about tan theta? So tan theta is nothing but sin theta upon cos theta. So by sin theta upon cos theta. So what is sin theta? Sin theta is your perpendicular upon hypotenuse. And what about cos theta? Cos theta is your base upon hypotenuse. So P upon H upon B upon H. So H will come to the numerator side and B will go to the denominator side, and H and H will got cancel out. So tan theta, that is your sin theta upon cos theta, is equals to perpendicular upon base. What is the perpendicular? That is the 8. What is the base? That is the 6. So 4 upon 3 is a perpendicular, is the value of tan theta. So this is how we are going to solve. this kind of questions. Not questions. This was just an introduction video. So let's meet tomorrow, and surely I will give my 100%. I don't know what about you guys. Bye.